Hi, my name is UWindsor and I'm a fourth-year honors history student at the University of Windsor. The Department of History at UWindsor definitely does a lot of local history work. We are a borderland region, and I think that within itself is a lot. You've got Canada on one side and the US on the other, and we're really closely associated with Detroit. I'm a teacher's assistant, I'm also a research assistant, so it's fascinating to see how history works in these different fields, in academia, in the public sector. It's honestly been life-changing because you are gaining all these experiences and you're getting part-time work while doing full-time studies. You really sit and analyze primary, secondary sources, trying to understand what people are saying, trying to see how people live their lives and different time periods. Living today in this information boom, you don't know what to trust and what not to trust, and history really helps you hone that skill of knowing where this information is coming from. You can do anything you want. You like food, you can do food history. You want to understand where you're coming from, you can do identity formations. There's no limits within history. There's different forms of research. If you don't want to do academic, that's completely okay. You like historical movies, it's called public history, so you can literally do anything you want with it. And I think that people don't really realize that. They think history is just books and archives, and that's definitely an important part of it. Names and dates are important, but we want to understand why the world is the way it is today. That's what we do in history. We study the past to try to understand the present, and we always try to prepare for a better future, and we can't do that without history. As future Lancers, realizing that you can do anything you want in history, I think that's something that gets you excited about it. Thrive in history at UWindsor.